We're going to... Oh my! Sorry guys. Oh my! It's windy! It's really windy! Oh my! It's a long drive. Hello everyone. I'm bored. I want my eyes to be like... It's raining. Oh la la mia. I thought it's a good day to go to this beautiful place, Dracaris. First time I went there with my friend Judy, it really looks like Game of Thrones, you know. They killed her! They killed her! My God! There's no Dracaris anymore. Dracaris! Bali man di ay. I really don't get used to the weather here in Europe. Suddenly, it is so sunny, very nice weather, and bang! In 1 second, it will change like Resident Evil. You know, the Resident Evil feels like. If you watch Resident Evil, you know what I'm saying. Like it's dark, haunted, and now it's changing again. We're going to... Oh my! Sorry guys. Oh my! It's windy. It's really windy. Oh my! Do you see this church? Oh, oh, oh my! So we are in Gent, but it's really windy, and my hair is like this. Sorry if I will look like a chipmunks on the road. So let's go. Ta-da! That's really beautiful. Welcome to my castle. Ito ang aking kaharian. Ang ganda, di ba? Do it like this.
I'm dying. It's just very cold.
Oh, it's really cold, guys. My gosh. But look at the view. Woo.
Really nice view. Macarons.
Macarons?
Yeah, it's coconut. This is coffee flavored. Really good.
Oh, I love this one. Fisherman. Fisherman?
That's how fishermen look.
No, because he has fish.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right.
Welcome to the shop of No Aswang. Look, it's so beautiful. There's a lot of onions and garlic.
There you go. Proper onion salad.
Now I am a seller. Come here and buy everything, please.
Voilà.
Voila.
Super. Merci beaucoup.
Soupe de l'eau.
Thank you. Yum. Yum, yum.
How was that?
Really, this is so yummy. It also helps my hands to be warmer. It is a lot of onions and garlic. Thank you, merci beaucoup.
C'est chaud.
Watch out, it's hot.
Now I'm going to eat garlic, so there's no aswang anymore. Wow, babe!
C'est bon?
He really knows how to cook onions and garlic.
Yeah, he does.
I don't normally eat onions, but here, like, this is really perfect.
Exactly.
Tu veux goûter, toi?
Oui, merci.
Goûter?
Oui, j'aimerais bien. Tu es une good cook. hein. Merci beaucoup. Wow.
Bomb.
The grape,
The grapes mix
the
a
grape
little.
really good with the garlic. Another one.
C'est chaud, hein?
This is hot.
Yeah, that's super hot. Yum.
So
Garlic,
soft.
eh?
Yeah.
It's really different. You know, I don't normally eat just garlic, but this one
Je
is
te remets la soupe à toi aussi, hein?
this different.
I'm getting a soup as well. Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna try this one. This is so yummy. I don't know what I eat, but it's really yummy.
So this is duck fat and duck and a piece of bread, and it's drenched in calvados. You eat it with red wine and just some bread.
I'm having fun here, guys. And now it's a lot of people here.
Sugar candy.
Sugar candy. Can we buy this one? Ah,
Ah non, merci. Allez. Christmas cheers.
it's so soft. And chocolate. Star. This is really my day, yeah? Foodies, chocolate, yum. Merci beaucoup. Merci à vous. Ang parol ng Pilipinas. Tingnan ninyo ang parol na makulay. Makulay ang mundo. Bow.
You're trying to make a good shot, huh?
Yeah. With this umbrella, because this needs to be in the camera because it's raining a little bit. It's really not nice weather. I'm just gonna fix my umbrella.
It's on.
Let's go, guys. Voila! I'm standing tall and I'm looking down at you.
No, you're still shorter than
No, I'm taller than you. Oh,
yeah.
I'm just half his size. Can you see that? It's starting to go negative. But if we are still filming, That is invisible cigarettes in my mouth. Can I have the first bite?
It's bigger than your
Oh
head.
my! Oh my!
Bigger
That's
than your- Pickles, onion,
what is this? The chicken?
the chicken.
Something to eat. Something that will make me warmer because for now I'm shaking. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Let's eat. I'm eating rice noodles. It is kway teow. Kway teow. This one.
Good job.
Kway teow.
Yeah.
Kway teow goreng. It's really nice. I like it. It's a little bit, just a little bit spicy. I want to try. It's noisy and everyone are drinking, eating. My boyfriend is eating something. Almost finished. And there you go. Wow! Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm Mini.
And I'm Morgan.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more